box. You need a box opener. Look over there by the door. By the door.
I got it, ma'am. I work at a job, Mom. You know I have these things.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. We'd like to thank Vevor for sending us this cute dog carrier. It is a mobile dog carrier and we just love it. When you have little short legs, you need a little assistance getting around.
It's the doggy thing, isn't it?
This pet carrier is fully able to go onto an airplane. And oh, how we wish we had this when we had Zizi here, because Shakema could have taken it back to California in this. It fits comfortably underneath your seat or the seat in front of you, while it also has this rolling mechanism where you can actually put the carrier onto the rolling cart and roll it through the airport if you are taking a very small dog like Gween. Gween is just about 6 pounds and her legs are about 1/10 of the size of Ma'am's. So she's not able to keep up with Ma'am on walks. So this is actually going to help us be able to get her out of the house when we take Ma'am on walks sometimes. It'll also be able to help us with when we're trying to continue with our exercise, because now we can push her in the cart or we can pull her behind us as we walk. I do like the pushing feature, works out perfectly. This install was fairly easy. It has 4 snap-on wheels. Of course, we're not making it look easy here, but we just didn't have our part lined up correctly. It is a snap and go. And so we got the 4 wheels on, and then your bag is fully detachable, but it also velcros below the rolling cart, and you're able to move the cart without the bag adjusting.
And the sides open.
It also has fold-out sides that turns this doggy carrier into a doggy mansion, just in case your pet needs a little bit of space while you're waiting in the airport.
Do you want that, Gween? Gween. The Gween. Does it fit through? Or is it too big? It's not all the way through.
Oh, that's as far as it goes.
Let me see.
And then we'll put that right there. This Velcro and this Velcro.
Right.
And this Velcro.
Yeah, it goes around the bottom. Flip it upside down.
Just trying to get the top on there, Ma.
Yeah. Like that.
All right, Gween. You ready?
Come on, Gween.
Yay. You nice?
Okay, now that extends. That is, oh look. Now roller. Look at you, Gween! The Gween! You're rolling, Gween!
And you can push it forward.
And you can push it. Gween. Bestie, you're rolling, ma'am. Good girl. Okay, let's see if we can extend the sides out, sister.
Is there forward?
Yeah. it opens up. And then you pull it out. You pop it out. Look.
You got him out? Mm-hmm. So is this for like
that's
purposes?
It goes inside. Inside. And then you lay for like comfort. Take it off the wheels. Take it off the wheels.
I got him out. Look.
No, but take it off the wheels because if she steps on it, it's going to go down.
Off what wheel?
Take this off. That's only for when you have to roll her around. She can't. If she steps on that, she's going to. See what I'm saying?
So this.
It becomes a crate.
Oh.
It becomes a crate. You can roll it around because you wouldn't roll her extended. See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
But now when you put it down, it becomes a doggy haven. Right. And so it goes in like that. And then, yes. So now she's got a place where she can sleep and...
Gween, come here. Come here.
Come on, Gween.
Come here. No, all the way over here. Gween, come. Wait. We're gonna try it.
She's so busy trying to get to mama.
What do you think? Oh, awesome. It feel nice? What are you thinking?
You put toys in there? Found her a toy.
He tried to bite me.
The Gween. Gween. Hey, the Gween. Hello, the Gween. What do you have? Hey, Gweena. Gweena.
That's my spot.
She does not care. Gweena. The Gween. Oh, look it. The Gweena.
What a nice little contraption.
Right. And then it folds back up and you just put it on the little doodle dinkle. And
I'll dry it out tomorrow. What do you think, Wayne?
where are we going tomorrow?
No, I'm saying Jackson. Oh, weird. Come on now.
Get your ball, Gween. Girl, bye. Good girl.
Oh, that's all it took. Just throw a ball. Oh.
Get your ball, Gween. Get your ball, Gween.
Yay.
There you are, Gweena. Hey, the Gweena. Because you can carry it. If you don't want to roll it, you can carry it.
This is a great airplane thingy.
And she fits. It does fit. It's airplane approved.
Yeah,
Show the bowl.
Thank you again to Vevor for sending us. It is Gweenie approved. We do want to thank everybody so much for stopping by. If you liked the
Put
video,
little doggy bags,
thumbs
bags
up,
in there.
share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.